Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Chiliz. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the breakout from the small down channel, we had a nice pump and formed this up channel and broke down the support of this up channel. By the way, we are watching on the 4-hour time frame chart. And recently, we also broke out another down channel. But after the breakout, Horizon could not start a big move from here. And now recently, we have broken down this very significant support of 7.46 cents. That was also the recent swing low point before the breakout from this recent down channel. Therefore, now I'm not following this breakout anymore. However, if we take a look at the technical target for the breakdown from this channel that I was telling you in my previous videos, was here at 6.1 cents, and you can see that the price and is almost dropped here because so far it has dropped up to 6.4 cents. Now, there is a probability that the price and may retest its previous support as a resistance, but if it will be rejected, then it can drop down to the next support, a quite long-term support of 5 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart now, and you can see that this 5 cents has been previously working as a very strong support here for several weeks, and for a few weeks it has been working as a support here as well. And in case of breaking down the support, it can again test the support of this huge falling wedge pattern that is formed here on the 7 days time frame chart. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for T-Fuel, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 2nd of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Chiliz. And first of all, let me just show you the 4-hour time frame chart. And here you can see that after the breakdown from this up channel, price line is moving to the downside and almost it has reached the target for this breakdown that I was telling you in my previous videos was here at 6.1 cents. And so far the price line has dropped up to 6.4 cents. But during this move to the downside, we have broken down this very significant support of 7.46 cents. That was previously working as a support here for several days. And before that, it was also working as a support here for a few hours. Here it was working as support and here as a resistance. And therefore now again, it can work as a strong resistance. By the way, here for a few hours or days, it was also working as a resistance. And now again, it is flipped into a resistance. And in case of breaking it out, it can once again reach imminently up to the next resistance of 10 cents. That is also a quite long-term resistance. Let me to show you on the 7 days time frame chart, then it will be more visible. You can see that this 10 cents has been, this is the 10 cents resistance, by the way. It had been previously working as a support here for a few weeks here. And here it was working as a support here in the month of December 2022. And now again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Chili's. And almost at the same level, we will have the resistance of this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that on the 7 days time frame chart for the past several months, since after the month of March 2021, it is moving inside this falling wedge pattern. And in case of breaking out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern, we can expect a very massive rally for Chili's. And by the way, the long-term target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between 90 cents to $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.